I guess it's exactly the end of the day. Good night.
Show me, friends.
Right here. Yeah. Thomas finds the perfect Christmas tree. Yeah. Maybe we'll get another part for this. Today we're gonna be, well, not today. We're gonna be doing this multiple days. So we're gonna do the Christmas calendar. Here's the back of the box. It's a Thomas one. We think it's wooden railway because it says Thomas and Friends Wooden Railway. And over here, this is where the calendar is.
Ah, this is the counting. Okay.
So today is the first day. It's the 14th. So I'm gonna open this one. Ooh, how do you open this? Okay, we got it. Okay. Ooh, look.
What?
Look it.
Look,
It says Thomas shows his Christmas spirit with special decorations.
okay, let me see. Thomas show his Christmas spirit with special decoration.
I'm trying to get Thomas out. Okay. Let's get Thomas. Oh, it's Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Thomas.
Thomas, you've never heard it, right? This is our first time, reindeer, Thomas.
Choo-choo. Actually, let's get some wooden railway for the trains to run on.
You're so cute.
Hey Thomas, I got some track.
Okay.
I'm just gonna leave him like that. Okay, I guess it's actually the end of the day. Look, it's dark outside.
Yeah, it's dark outside. It's sleeping time. Bye bye. Good night.
Hold on.
He go to brush his teeth. Okay. When he brush his teeth, we look in the Christmas towel.
I'm done.
Okay.
Well, it's time to go to bed.
Bye bye. Good night.
It's time to go to bed.
Good night.
Good night.
Sweet dreams, Thomas.
Not Thomas. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Day 2.
Yeah.
Okay, what is it? Number 2.
Right here.
Let me see. I don't see it yet.
Right after Sir Topham Hat.
Okay.
Right here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it. Oh, looks like we got a wagon.
Oh, this Day 2 is
A wagon. It has no. I think in one of them there'll be some cargo.
Oh, yes.
Let's have Thomas carry it. Choo choo. Friends, I'm gonna make a little circle
Okay.
of track.
Soda factory.
I'm gonna get some track pins. Having good luck I need 5 more curves.
Yeah.
Not these small curves. Though.
You can control it.
Yep, I got enough I need. Place. And I just need to connect that.
Straight.
I need some more straight.
I think one enough.
No.
Need to be a little small one also.
Maybe this one?
Yeah, I think. Yeah. That's good. Circle one. Oh no, it's over straight.
Yeah.
Hello, Thomas. You look funny today.
Yeah, I'm Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Christmas, bye! I'm going to get some gingerbread. Why am I going in a circle? Okay, I guess it's time to go to bed again. Time to brush teeth.
When you go inside, I made a little decorate. Shh.
Done.
Done.
Okay. You guys don't have to watch me go to bed again, so I'll go to bed. See ya.
See ya. Good night. Nighty night. Sweet dreams.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Morning, Nicholas.
It is day 3.
Oh, day 3. Where's the sentimetry? Show me, friends.
Right here.
There it is.
Yeah. Okay, friends, let's open it. Now we're. Oh, it's the cargo.
Oh, yeah, you finally got a cargo. Oh, what is it inside?
Gingerbread.
Oh, let me see. Everyone. Oh, my God.
Gingerbread man.
It's so cute. Yeah.
Now I knew the cargo was
Day
coming.
3?
Yeah.
He printed gingerbread man.
Yeah, look, there's a gingerbread on the picture of the thing. Choo choo! Time to deliver the gingerbread.
Uh-oh, careful, Thomas.
It's a little slippery on the track, so yes.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Choo choo! And we have this ginormous tree. Here we'll go right over here.
Uh-oh.
The ornaments fell down.
Ornament, candy ornament for them?
Choo choo! Thomas goes around. Well, I guess it's time to eat. I'll see you guys when it's nighttime and time to eat. I mean, time to go to bed.
Okay.
I'm done, friends. Time to go to bed.
He's so silly today. Okay, let me see the gingerbread. Let me see how many cutie gingerbread. That's a good
Good job,
solution.
friends. It's morning. Oh. I fell. Okay, what day is it, friends? What day is it?
Okay, today it is what day? Day 4.
Yeah. Day 4. Okay, friends, let's open it. I don't know what we're gonna have. A Christmas tree.
Yay.
We got a Christmas tree.
You have it done this. Okay. Oh, we forgot it. Every day have it. They write in something. No.
Really?
Yeah. See, number 1.
Oh yeah.
And then number 2.
Hold on, that's number 3.
Oh, okay. Where's the number 2?
Hold on, let's put this tree down. Okay, now let's read them. So we already read number 1. Number 2.
Yeah.
A cookie delivery will delight the children.
Okay. And number 3
Is
Okay.
gingerbread cookies make the holiday more festive. And number 4, Thomas finds the perfect Christmas tree.
Yes. That's right.
Time to go eat.
Oh my God! Today he is too much hyper.
Okay. Done. Well,
Are you done?
yep, time to go brush teeth.
Brush teeth, yes. Careful. Oh no. You make a scratch. Oh no! My goodness! Are you okay? You
Yes.
going brush your teeth or you make a mess everywhere?
Time to go to bed.
He's going to sleep again.
Okay, friends, let's open day 5. Oh, more cargo.
Oh, what's exciting about this one? What they writing in there?
Time to find a gift for Percy. Oh, it's a whistle.
Oh, time to find a gift for Buffy. Yes. Thomas'
Wait.
best friend is
Percy.
Buffy.
Maybe we'll get another cart for
Uh-huh.
this one.
Yeah.
Because we already got a gingerbread one.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like there should be some sort of, do you know those things that the small cranes on wheels?
Mm.
Yeah, they should.
New whistle. Yeah.
Yeah, it says new whistle.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, I guess it's time to go brush teeth. Okay, let's open day 6. Shall we, friends?
I'm so excited when we got it on this set.
Oh,
Oh, it's the present.
Oh, I know what this is for.
Mm-hmm.
You. Let me show you what it's for.
Oh, so new whistle. Go to
There's
the
a
present box.
There's a magnet here and there's a magnet there. They connect to each other.
Okay, let me see the magnet.
There's a magnet
Okay, and then
right here.
in the present have a magnet. So yeah. Oh, that's a perfect for present. This is such good wrapping. Yes.
Okay. Let's play a little before we eat breakfast, friends. Let's build with the blocks. Okay. I have built a tower. Dad, knock it down! Yeah! Okay, time to eat breakfast. Okay, time to go to bed, friends. It's time to go to bed.
Okay, good night.
Good night.
Oh my goodness. I bambi.
Good morning. Okay. Joe, I'm going to my computer. No. Okay, John. Good morning. Okay. Today is
What's today? Today is
7.
7.
Let's see what we're gonna get
I'm
in.
so excited again.
Okay, friends. Let's open. Ooh, we did get a cart
Okay.
for the present.
Okay.
Let's get it out.
Okay.
Why?
How do you
Oh wait, we forgot to read it.
number 6.
Percy's gift needs to be wrapped.
Mhm.
And number 7, Thomas needs a cargo cart to deliver such a wonderful gift.
Of course.
Got it. Okay, let's put it in present in. It
Yeah.
fits perfectly.
Yeah.
Oh, wrong way. Thomas.
Mm-hmm.
Now. Choo choo. Look at Thomas. He's going around a giant tree. Okay, it's bedtime. I'll go brush my teeth. Done. I'm done. Hut. Go bed, bye.
He's sleeping again. Okay, tomorrow is what day gonna be?
Work on the computer. Bye. I'm here. I'm here. No time to work on the computer. Okay. Today is 8. Let's see what we're gonna get in number. Okay, friends. Let's open number 8. Oh, look here. We got some coal.
Okay.
It says, Thomas thinks of a silly prank. Coal for Diesel.
Oh.
If you don't know what Diesel looks like, this is what he looks like but he doesn't usually have rocks on him and dirty.
Yeah.
That's the only Diesel I have.
Mhm. We have a lot of plastic, right?
Those are the bath ones.
Mhm.
And I have this Thomas, but it's not really a good one.
Mhm.
You see, it's just a 2-wheel.
Mm.
And it's really tall. It can't go through the tunnels.
Mm.
Okay, so let's put it here. Well, it's time to go to bed. So, good night.
Good night.
Good night. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay.
Today is day.
No, it's not 11. It's 9. Where's number? There it is.
It is number 9. I wanna read. I think it is.
Okay, let's open number 9. Oh, we got another cart for the coal.
Yeah.
Let's see. Since it's Christmas, Thomas also gives Diesel a brand new cargo cart.
Thomas, he brings a lot of things for his friends. Yes.
Choo choo! It's Christmas. Choo choo. Oh, we need to move this so the track doesn't fall off the table. Okay, it's time to go to bed. Good night.
Good night. See you on the day 10.
Yeah, good night.
Oopsie.
It's done.
It's done.
Good night.
I'm not worried. Too much.
It's morning. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
It's day.
Today is day.
So it's 10. Where is 10?
Where it is, friends? Where is the number 10?
I don't see it anywhere. Oh, here it is.
Yes. I will.
It blended in with the blue. It's a blue ornament. Let's go. Okay. Opening. Oh, North Pole.
Oh, it's a North Pole sign.
Let's see. Thomas delivers the spirit to the North Pole.
Oh, he's going to North Pole. I don't believe it, Thomas.
I'm gonna put it this. Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna swap the trees around because I think the North Pole should go this way because Thomas is facing that way. I'm gonna move the trees around. Okay, to the North Pole.
You want to go with Thomas to the North Pole?
It's actually good because this table is white, so it looks like snow.
Yes.
Okay. Well, time to go to bed. Good night.
Uh-oh.
I
Careful,
turn off
boy.
one light. Good night.
Good night. Nighty-night.
Good morning, friends.
It's
day. It's day. Okay, so today we're opening 11. Tomorrow's the big day.
Yay! You got a present. You got a present.
Yeah.
11 is
Okay, let's open 11. And
another sign or something.
A reindeer.
Oh, reindeer. Okay, let me see what he writing down is.
There's so much Christmas cargo. Thomas will need some help.
You never had a reindeer, right?
I never had a reindeer one of these before. Thanks, reindeer. Okay, time to go to bed. Good night.
Good night. Time to sleep. Tomorrow is really big day for everywhere. Hey kid, are you excited for tomorrow?
Good morning.
Oh my God.
It's day.
It's day, yes.
Okay, it's the big day.
Merry Christmas.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, before we done this, we put away everything from Christmas. Let's see what we get for the big day.
So excited.
Yeah, it's the big day.
Big day.
Santa!
Yeah.
It's Santa!
Finally, it's coming. Okay, let me see. What you writing down?
Santa will help Thomas deliver presents to all the good boys and girls.
Yes. Are you a good boy?
Yes!
Yeah, he is so nice.
I will deliver this present for you if I can pick it up. He has a magnet.
Oh.
I will deliver this. I can't. Well, I can.
Okay, Pasi is here waiting.
I will help. Ah. Thomas, you're coming with me.
Okay, let me see. There it is, Santa. This is the great wooden toy.
Yeah,
Great.
yes, I'm Santa.
Oh.
I'm not a reindeer, I'm a Santa.
No.
Bye, Santa. I'm Santa now. Give me all those presents. Bye. I'll bring you everywhere. Hey, I'll put you on top of the hat. Bye. Oh God. I'm not a man. I cannot fly. I can fly. I'm going back in my box. I'm going back in my area. Just kidding. Oh. What will happen if we open this? Because we already got everything. What would... Okay, let's see what's in here. We got this. Nothing in there, just this.
Yes.
And now we're going to store all these things. Look, we can store everything. It's a fun game to find where these things go. Well, I know the tree goes here. Thomas, number 1. Okay, this way. This thing goes here. Where does 3? Oh, okay. This goes right here. Santa Claus goes here. Where does this one go? Which one goes which, friends?
That's good.
Look, it's all packed up. They all just fall off. Though, but it's fun figuring out where they go. Are you okay? Ho, ho, ho. Take those away, Tommy. Go, go, go. I'm going to be up here on the tree. Right here. If I get stuck, I'll just be right here.
Hi everybody, I'm Santa and I'm on the Christmas tree. Okay, I found some candy, but we're not at that hold. Good job!
I'm gonna see if I have any other candies. Okay, I found a troublesome truck. Found a troublesome truck. Go through those knockdown trees. Let's make a long train, friends. Where's Santa? There's Santa. It's super long, Christmas Thomas. Look at Thomas. Super long. Choo choo. Choo choo. You can hear it going against the wood. Bye, Percy. Take your gift. Take your gift, Percy. Bye. And then he goes over to Diesel. Hi, Diesel. Here's your gift. Here's your gift. Bye.
Thank you, Thomas.
Hey! No! No, thank you. I don't want coal. Just kidding. This is your actual gift. A Santa statue. Thanks.
Oh, good. Last one. Here you go, reindeer. This is your present.
What? He got it.
Gingerbread. Got gingerbread.
Is reindeer got a yummy, yummy one? Oh, yes.
Everybody got a present.
Yeah!
Fall off. And then the tree falls.
Oh, no.
And then up comes the tree.
There. Yours is new.
The trees have been falling.
Mm-hmm.
Also, the ginormous one fell.
Okay.
So, friends, that's actually the end for these days episode. So, make sure to subscribe, click the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And I'll go back to bed.